So, hi everyone. Today we're going to learn about rounding. Decimal places allow us to be very accurate about the size of a number. Sometimes we might want to make a number simpler. To do this, we can use rounding. Look at that person dancing. When we have a number with two decimal places, we can round it to one decimal place by looking at the value of the last decimal place, the furthest one from the decimal point. If the number is less than 5, we have to round the number down. So 3 and 22 hundredths will become 3 and 2 tenths. If the number is equal to or more than 5, we round the number up. So 3 and 26 hundredths will become 3 and 3 tenths. What is 20 and 32 hundredths round to one decimal place? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 20 and 3 tenths. What is 8 and 29 hundredths rounded to one decimal place? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 8 and 3 tenths. What is 5 and 98 hundredths rounded to one decimal place? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 6, or as it shows, 6.0. Level up. We can also round numbers with two decimal places to whole numbers. To do this, we look at both of the numbers after the decimal point together. If they are less than 50 hundredths, then we round the number down. If they are equal to or more than 50 hundredths, we round the number up. Let's look at an example. We want to round 5 and 23 hundredths to the nearest whole number. Let's look at the decimal places so that 23 hundredths is less than 50 hundredths. So we round the number down to 5. What is 15 and 82 hundredths rounded to a whole number? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 16. 82 hundredths is over 50 hundredths, so we have to round it up to 16. That's the answer. What is 74 and 24 hundredths rounded to a whole number? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 74. 24 hundredths is less than 50 hundredths, so we round it down to 74. Pretty cool, huh? What is 12 and 51 hundredths rounded to a whole number? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 13. 51 hundredths is more than 50 hundredths, so we round it up to 13. Sorry for my pronunciation of hundredths. Levels complete. Congratulations, you're a rounding hero. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm sorry, guys, for my pronunciation and how fast I'm talking. I'll try to improve that. It's just I had some problems today. So, thank you guys for watching. And so then, bye everyone. See you in our next video.